Shirt came off, so now I'm doing a handheld mic. I guess I could clip it to my backpack, but anyway, had some snacks, and I'm probably just gonna hang out here for a while. It's too beautiful not to just soak in. I mean, like, oh hey Joanna. Something about this spot is like therapy. It's like I don't have a therapist, but when I come here, I feel like I do have a therapist. You know what I mean? Does that make any sense? I don't know.
Oh. I was recording, but I forgot to keep walking.
Like, where are you going? I could die right now. Could be impaled by this stick and then just snowball off the cliff. And then what? There is no answer. I would die. Okay.
Survival tips with Keani.
Camera's going in the survival pack because the rocks are really slippy going down and I don't want to smash the camera.